Hi friends, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we have to discuss about example problem on simplify the following Boolean expression using Boolean Algebra Laws in Digital Logic Design course, Switching Theory and Logic Design course, Digital Logic and Computer Organization course. The given example problem is simplify the following Boolean expression a into b plus c into ab plus ac whole bar. So this question can be asked in Telangana AP Genco examination. So how to solve this Boolean expression using Boolean algebra laws? Please watch carefully. We already know that De Morgan laws. So what is De Morgan laws? De Morgan's law. X plus y whole bar is equal to x bar into y bar. So here see this one, AB plus AC whole bar. It is similar to x plus y whole bar, where in place of x, AB is there, in place of y, AC is there. So x plus y whole bar is equal to x bar into y bar. In the same way, we have it, write it as AB plus AC whole bar is equal to AB bar into AC bar according to the De Morgan's law. Now the given expression becomes AB whole bar into AC whole bar according to the De Morgan's law. Okay, next one. Another De Morgan's law is there, that is xy whole bar is equal to x bar plus y bar. This is also a De Morgan's law. So here xy bar, it is similar to AB whole bar. So AB whole bar can be written as A bar plus B bar according to this law. So now it becomes A into B plus C into AB whole bar. In place of xy, here AB is there. How it can be written as x bar plus y bar? It is similar to A bar plus B bar according to this De Morgan's law. A bar plus B bar. Next, in the place of xy, here AC is there. Okay. So according to this De Morgan's law, it can be written as A bar plus C bar. A bar plus C bar. Okay. So first law can be applied for this step. Second law can be applied to this step. After applying these two De Morgan's laws, we are getting this expression. Next one. A into B plus C into, now multiply this term with this term. Okay, first A bar is multiplied with A bar. A bar is multiplied with A bar plus A bar is multiplied with C bar. Then we are getting A bar into C bar plus next B bar is multiplied with A bar. Then we are getting A bar into B bar plus B bar is multiplied with C bar. Then we are getting B bar into C bar. Next one. We already know that A bar into A bar is nothing but A bar. A bar is multiplied with A bar. Then we are getting A bar. So then the above expression becomes A into B plus C into A bar is nothing but A bar plus A bar into C bar is nothing but A bar C bar plus A bar into B bar is nothing but A bar into B bar plus B bar into C bar is nothing but B bar C bar. Next one. A into B plus. Now C is multiplied with entire expression within the parenthesis. Okay. C into A bar is nothing but A bar C plus C into C is multiplied with A bar C bar. We are getting A bar C bar into C plus C is multiplied with A bar B bar. Then we are getting A bar B bar C. Next one. C is multiplied with B bar C bar. B bar C bar into C. So this expression we are getting. Now we already know that C bar into C equal to 0. C bar into C equal to 0. Okay. So according to this law, we are getting A into B plus A bar C. Here C bar into C equal to 0. That means A bar into 0 plus A bar B bar C plus here C bar into C equal to 0. So then it becomes B bar into 0. Next one, A into B plus, now this term 0, this term 0, A bar into 0, here A bar into 0 is equal to 0, next B bar into 0, B bar into 0, that is equal to 0. So then becomes A bar C plus 0 plus A bar B bar C plus 0. Then it becomes A into B plus A bar C plus A bar B bar C. Now this entire thing within the square bracket is multiplied with A. So then it becomes A into B is nothing but AB plus A into A bar C plus A into A bar, B bar, C. This is we are getting. Here A into A bar is 0. A into A bar is 0. So here A into A bar is equal to 0. Now this expression becomes AB plus, here A into A bar is 0. 0 into C is nothing but 0. Next, A into A bar is 0 is multiplied with B bar C is 0. So now it becomes AB. After simplifying this Boolean expression, we are getting AB is the answer. So in this way, we have to solve the following Boolean expression using Boolean algebra laws. Here mainly we are using two De Morgan's laws, and another one A bar into A bar is equal to A bar. Next one C bar into C equal to 0. Next one A bar into 0 equal to 0. B bar into 0 equal to 0. Next one A into A bar equal to 0. So these are the Boolean algebra laws we have to use for simplifying the given Boolean expression. I hope all of you understanding this video. If you have any difficulty for understanding this video, please give your comments in the comment box. I will try to clarify your doubts. So here the first De Morgan law applied here, the second De Morgan law applied here. Okay. Thank you one and all for watching this video. If you really understanding this video, please share this channel to your friends and classmates. If you really understanding this video, please subscribe my YouTube channel, Divvela Srinivasa. After subscribing my YouTube channel, click on the bell icon to get the future updates in my YouTube channel. Thank you one and all for watching this video. In the comment box, I will give the entire playlist link. Please go through that links. Thank you one and all for watching this video.